right? So I can click on a milestone, I can select an individual color, and I can drag and drop my milestones onto the board, right? So we're working backwards here. So I've added my milestone. This might be my first one, right? So, and this might be, right, final project milestone, right? So that might be the milestone that we are trying to hit at the end of the project. Now, I've seen other teams where they also, right, you can add as many milestones as you need in this project. And so I might add something simple, like a mini milestone, right? It might be mini milestone 1, mini milestone 2. So little accomplishments along the way that we're trying to hit.